my soldering technique. So here is a how to solder video. What do you need? Blow lamp, solder, which we're running low on, pipe, this is 35mm, we're just going to do an elbow. We've got flux, proper flux, not a self-cleaning, a nice rag, some wire wool. So, first off, especially with this flux, clean the fittings up and the pipe, nice and shiny like that. Get the flux, put it on the pipe. I always do this, some people may do, some people may not. Put that on there. Get the other pipe, put that there as well. It's good flux this is. It's not Laco, which probably everyone's used to. Do that. Clean a bit of the excess off. It's a bit of a waste, but does it matter? No. And now we'll heat it up. Not too fast, not too slow. People may have other techniques, this is mine. Especially with this size pipe, it needs to be heated up all the way around. 15mm, you just get away with it. Easy, really. And then, nice bend on this bit of solder I've got. Just see if it's any good. Yeah, it's flowing. So, none of this one touch, because it just never really works on this size anyway. And then, you can see it dripping all around. Do the same here. The thing is, I don't really like it when you get holes in the, where you can see holes in the top, so I'll show you what I do. So that is nearly soldered. It's a bit hard with this size of solder. But that's all done all the way around. So what I like to do now is almost like I'm welding it. Let it cool down a little bit. And do that. Almost fill any gaps in. Just makes it look real nice. It's a little bit too hot, but it's a one-take video because I've only got a certain amount of solder, haven't I? No wet rags. I don't know why people use wet rags. Heat it up, get your rag, go around it. Nice, nice, nice. Look at that, beautiful. Do the same with that one. Just heat it back up a touch. Oh, we've got a little more. Oh. That's bang on. Heat it back up again. And what we've got here now, just let it cool down a little bit. Let it go away. Get some wire wool. Clean it up. And I will pressure test this tomorrow if anyone's bothered. And look, we have an Instagrammable solder. Look at that. Nice and neat, isn't it? I mean, you can polish it up a little bit more if you want, just so it looks like it's not soldered, but on this size, I think it is a bit better like that, is it? I don't know. Not too bad. Do you reckon we can get it to 70 bar?